الميزان العمل، القسطاس المستقيم، منهاج العارفين، الرسالة الدينية. So these are examples of a study that is regarding Al-Ghazali. أيها الولد. ميزان العمل is simply to recognize the types of results that a certain select behavior brings about. Al-Qistas al-Mustaqim is along the path and the journey to God, using means that are balanced, kind, loving. Minhaj al-Arifin is enlightened, educated specialists who bring about the greatest good for those who have devoted their life to a certain discipline or category or teaching or lifestyle or framework of reference for learning and bringing about the fruits or the results from a certain industry or certain type of group of people who are typically like business people or tradespeople or politicians, all of those sciences. And even within the religious sciences, they say Minhaj al-Arifin is really the group or the industry and the collection or the conglomerate of people who work together to bring about extraordinary results. Minhaj, the way. And in religious sciences, in English, they would say the truth, the light, the way. This is Minhaj, simply means the way. The truth being al-Haqq, light being enlightenment, nur. And Arifin are those who are enlightened. And Risalat lil-Diniya. And Risala is simply taking the finest, most perfected example of devotion, love, and kindness, and exemplifying it, amplifying it, and helping others to reach some of those habits or beliefs or systems in order to live extraordinary lives. Okay, that's in less than 10 minutes or so an example of what spiritual discipline provides as far as mastering the sciences of the divine kingdom that God created for us. Thank you so much, Summer.